Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I'm going to explain how to install WordPress into your local system. Okay, so why should we install this WordPress into our system? So let's think that if you want to practice how to design a website using WordPress before buying domain and hosting and all, it is very helpful. Okay, so in order to install this WordPress on your local system on your local computer, okay, so we have to install a software called Bitnami. Okay, so let's see how to do this and all. So go to Google and search for Bitnami WordPress. Yes, click on this result. Now we have to choose what type of operating system you use. So I will be using Windows operating system. So I'll be choosing this thing. Now scroll down a bit. Now you have to download this software. So you have to choose how many bit and all. So my system is 64-bit operating system and it is Windows. So I am choosing this thing. Download for Windows 64-bit. Click on this thing. So you have to sign in with your account. It may be Google account or Facebook account, whatever it may be. Let me sign in. So yes, you have to accept the terms and conditions of Bitnami. And if you want to receive any newsletters or events or regarding any updates to your email, you can also check this option. Otherwise, please leave it. Yes, so your download will start. See here the downloading has been started. Please wait for a minute till it completes. Yes, the download got completed. Now we have to install this WordPress into our system. Click on yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I want. Run this installation. Please wait for a minute, like 30 seconds to a minute. So the installation will start. Yes, please choose a proper language. Yes, you can choose whatever language you want. I'm okay with English. Okay. So yes, continue with installation. Setup wizard. Click on next. So next. So you can also choose the folder in which folder this Bitnami WordPress should install and all. You can choose your folder if you want by clicking here. So I'm okay with this thing. So please give your real name. You can also give your email address and also you have to set up your username and password here. So I'm giving my name. Yes, my email address. Next, please set up your username and password. Please remember them and also please give them properly. Why? Because with the help of this username and password itself, we have to log in into your WordPress. So even at the time of creation of password, you have to follow some rules like they must contain alphanumeric characters and all. So based on that thing, please set up your password. Yes, please use only alphanumeric characters in your password. Okay, so let me set the password again. So after you set your password, please click on next. Login must not have capital letters. Okay. So here also you should not use any capital letters, it seems. Yes, done. Good. So this is how your blog's name will appear. If you want to change your blog's name and all, you can do that. Yes, I'll make it capital here. So you can change this thing and all. Click on next. So if you want to have any mail support and all, you can enable this option and you can choose whatever mail account you want and all. Okay, so this is required. So your application can send notifications via email. If you want any email notifications to be sent and all, you can check this option and you can click on next. So I don't want any of these things, so I'll simply go with next. So yes, launch WordPress in cloud with Bitnami. Next. So setup will be installing now. So this has just opened to see all these things and all, to show you all these things and all. If you click the installation setup here, it will show you. So setup is now ready to begin installing Bitnami WordPress on your computer. Yes, click on next. So now the installation will start. It will take some time. Please wait. So after we install this WordPress in our system and after we start practicing and all these files related to WordPress will be stored in our local system only. And only we can access this WordPress. It is not a live website. As it is not a live website, others will not be able to access our WordPress and all. So within few seconds, the installation will be completed. Yes, this could take a couple of minutes and all. Let's wait. Yes, the installation got completed. Almost done. Please wait for a few more minutes. Yes, the installation got finished. Okay, so please click on finish. Now you will be able to access your WordPress, right? So here, please click on access WordPress. Yes, this is your WordPress. So now if you want to log in into your WordPress, then simply go here and click on login. You have to give your username and password here. So let me give it. And then click on login. Yes. So in this way, you can create your own WordPress in your local system. You can design your website and all. Okay. So you can install plugins, you can activate them, you can apply various themes to your website and all. You can do whatever things you want. But the thing is, you can't see this website on live. You can only access this WordPress site on your system only. So now if you want to access your WordPress site, I mean local WordPress site and all, simply give localhost slash WordPress. So in this way, you can come to your WordPress website. And if you want to log into your WordPress website, simply give localhost slash WordPress slash login. So now there'll be no need to remember this IP address on that. Okay, so please remember these two things. Okay, so in order to access your WordPress site, you have to give localhost slash WordPress. And if you want to log in, okay, if you want to log in, you have to give slash login or slash WP hyphen login. Then you can log into your WordPress and you can develop your own site. So if you want to make this site live, I mean, you developed your website on your local system. Now, if you want to make all these things live, then you have to buy your domain and hosting. Then you can use some plugins like Updraft Plus and all. Now you can install what all you have done using this using that Updraft Plus plugin. Then you can upload all the things you have done here into your live website. Okay, so I think this video is very helpful to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.